Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a cute rainbow heart so easy. Easy drawing for kids. Let's start drawing. Start with a small heart. Then draw a second heart that is larger than the first and locate it around the first heart. A third heart. A fourth heart. A fifth heart. And later a larger heart. Then, draw the last heart. Now, I use a large black pen to fill in the edges, to make the picture more visible. In this way, we have finished drawing the lovely heart. Now, let's coloring together. I used the colors of the rainbow to color the pictures. Paint evenly inside and out. I painted the innermost heart purple. The second heart is blue. And the third heart is green. I painted the fourth heart in yellow. The fifth heart in orange. And the last outermost heart in red. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.